Cockatoos, the most affectionate and intelligent pet birds. Welcome back, bird lovers. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most affectionate and intelligent birds in the world, cockatoos. If you're thinking of getting one as a pet or just curious about these amazing birds, this video is for you. Everything you need to know about cockatoos. Cockatoos are part of the parrot family and are known for their playful, affectionate, and social nature. But did you know there are 21 different species of cockatoos? Some are great pets, while others can be extremely loud and challenging to keep at home. Let's take a look at some of the most popular cockatoo species and find out which ones make the best pets. Umbrella Cockatoo. One of the most popular pet cockatoos. These birds are highly affectionate and love cuddles, but they demand a lot of attention. Moluccan, also known as the Salmon-Crested Cockatoo, known for their beauty and intelligence, but they are extremely loud, not recommended for small apartments. Goffin's Cockatoo, a smaller cockatoo that is playful, intelligent, and easier to manage compared to the larger species. Sulphur-Crested Cockatoo, super smart and full of personality, but their high energy levels require an experienced bird owner. Galah, or Rose-Breasted Cockatoo, a calmer and quieter cockatoo with a loving personality, perfect for families. Which cockatoo would you choose? Let us know in the comments. If you're looking for a quiet pet, cockatoos might not be for you. But some species are louder than others. Here are the loudest cockatoos. Moluccan Cockatoo, one of the loudest parrots in the world. Their screams can reach up to 135 decibels, as loud as a jet engine. Sulphur-Crested Cockatoo. These guys love to scream, especially when they want attention. Umbrella Cockatoo, super affectionate, but they scream if they feel lonely or bored. So if you live in an apartment or have close neighbors, you might want to reconsider owning one of these. Now let's talk about their nature. Cockatoos are some of the most affectionate birds in the world. They love their owners and often demand constant attention. Highly intelligent cockatoos can solve puzzles, learn tricks, and even mimic words. Extremely social. They bond deeply with their humans and can suffer from separation anxiety. Playful and curious. They love exploring and playing with toys, but be careful. They can be little escape artists. Fun fact, cockatoos can live up to 80 years. Thinking of getting a cockatoo? Here's what you need to know about their care. Diet. A mix of high-quality pellets, fresh fruits, vegetables, and nuts is essential for their health. Cage size. They need a large cage with plenty of toys to keep them entertained. Daily interaction. At least 3 to 4 hours of social interaction per day, or they might get depressed. Warning! Cockatoos can develop behavioral issues like feather plucking if they don't get enough attention. Still thinking about getting a cockatoo? Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: extremely affectionate and loving, highly intelligent and trainable, fun, playful, and interactive. Cons: very loud and demanding, require constant attention and mental stimulation, can live for decades. It's a lifetime commitment. Would you get a cockatoo? Tell us below. So cockatoos are amazing birds, but they're not for everyone. If you're ready for a lifelong companion who demands love and attention, a cockatoo might be perfect for you. Like this video? Hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome pet content.